Alright, I'm going to give you a paint lesson if you like it or not. If you don't want to watch it, then don't. But I've seen a lot of shoddy work, so heed my advice because I know what I'm talking about and I know what I'm doing, alright? Orbital sander, alright? Yeah, I don't have the filter on because I had to take it off, it got too full, so I have to empty it out. But I don't have the time to do that right now, so just watch and learn. You don't take it down too much, alright? You just take it down. You can always go back with a piece of sandpaper to smooth it out, alright?